Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
A Kharji believed that Imam Ali alayhi salam committed a great sin by killing the Khawarij in the Battle of Nahrawan. I will definitely meet a person who can make me understand that he has not sinned by killing Khawarij. People told him about Imam Baqir alayhi salam. After that, he came to the service of Imam Baqir alayhi salam along with some of his companions. After hearing the various virtues of Imam Ali alayhi salam from him and his companions, he stood up and said, "I know the virtues of Ali more than these, but all these virtues are from the time when Ali did not accept arbitration. However, after accepting arbitration, he became a disbeliever." During the conversation, a point came around the Battle of Khaybar, when the Prophet said, "Tomorrow I will give the alam to a man who will be fearless and who will be a friend of Allah, and Allah will also be a friend of him." Imam asked, "Is this hadith correct?" He said, "The hadith is correct, but Ali had committed disbelief after that." Imam Baqir alayhi salam asked, "Then why did Allah love Imam Ali alayhi salam?" He knew that Imam Ali alayhi salam will kill the Khawarij in Nahrawan. He thought that if I say that Allah did not know, then I will become a disbeliever. So he said, "Yes, Allah knew." After hearing this, Imam Baqir alayhi salam said, "Tell me this, did Allah love Imam Ali alayhi salam because he was obedient to Allah or because he was a sinner?" The man said, "It is obvious that Allah loved Imam Ali alayhi salam because he was obedient." Hearing this answer, Imam Baqir alayhi salam said, "Go, you have been defeated, because Allah's love for Imam Ali alayhi salam was due to his obedience, and Allah knew that Imam Ali alayhi salam obeyed Allah until his last breath and will not do anything against his will. So what Ali did in Nahrawan was according to Allah's will." After hearing this answer from Imam, the man got up from his place, saying, "Allah knows best to whom he bestows his prophethood and imamat."